Granule loss on asphalt shingle surfaces signals reduced protection and needs targeted repair steps immediately. Start by assessing the extent of granule loss with a close visual inspection from a safe ladder or roof hatch and photograph areas for reference. If the shingle surface is bare or the fiberglass mat is exposed, you should replace the affected shingles rather than try to mask the problem, because replacement restores the designed weather barrier and wind resistance. For localized minor loss where the shingle surface still has granules, use an asphalt roofing cement applied with a caulk gun and press spare granules into the wet cement so the patch matches texture and sheds water. Work on small sections at a time and remove any loose debris first. Ensure new or replacement shingles are aligned with the factory tabs so that the shingle overlap and headlap match adjacent courses. Improper overlap traps water and accelerates wear. When fastening, use corrosion-resistant roofing nails placed in the reinforced nailing strip and driven flush but not countersunk to avoid splitting the fiberglass mat. If the roof has pervasive ultraviolet breakdown, consider installing a reflective ridge cap or choosing shingles with a higher solar reflectance rating to slow further granule loss. Common mistakes begin with trying to glue loose granules back on as a cosmetic fix, which will not restore water resistance. Instead, replace any shingle where the mat is visible and use roofing cement with granules only for very small areas. People often underdrive or overdrive nails, causing nail pops or split mats, which cause accelerated granule loss. Drive nails straight and flush in the reinforced strip and use the number of nails the manufacturer specifies for your roof pitch. Another frequent issue is poor overlap on replacement pieces, which exposes edges to lift and abrasion. Measure and align new shingles so they match the exposure of the surrounding field, and seal the butt edge with roofing cement if needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples and community feedback that help decide when to repair or replace shingles. We host a discussion community where we share repair techniques and contractors can find work and homeowners can compare experiences.